welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hack or whack, okay, for these cute crochet braids that I am rocking right now. Before we jump into this video, if you are new, sis, welcome. Definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, give the video a thumbs up, turn your post notifications on, and if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to the channel, sis. So you guys, someone commented on my last video below. I cannot remember your name, but thanks to you, we have this video here. So be sure to comment below and say hey to everybody. Okay, so thank you so much for your comment, because she commented on my last crochet braid video and said that she used the Downy fabric softener on her crochet braids to make them softer and basically just feel better after they had kind of matted up over time. And I was like, yes. I remember seeing this hack several years ago when I first started wearing my crochet braids, and I completely forgot about it. Like, I completely forgot about it, never thought about it again, never thought, oh yes, let me try this on my own channel. But thanks to you, sis, we're here with today's video. So you guys, if you watch the vlogs, and if you don't watch the vlogs, what are you doing? I will have them linked in the description box down below, as well as in the cards for you guys to check out. But if you guys did see my last vlog, you saw me running around I went to Walmart, I went to CVS, and I went to Target looking for this Downy fabric softener, and I could not find it, okay? I could not find it. I didn't find any Downy products that said, this is like a fabric softener. I thought it was gonna be something separate from like washing detergent, and something specifically that you add like to your detergent as a fabric softener. But after looking it up on Google and stuff, I didn't see any Downy products that said fabric softener. So I don't know if people just call it that or like what's going on, but if you use an actual Downy product that says fabric softener, please comment down below and let me know where you found it, because I didn't see anything at all. Nothing. So I was like, you know what? All these products say fabric conditioner, and I actually have some Downy fabric conditioner in my laundry closet. So here we are right here. This is the Downy Infusions Refresh. My scent, excuse me, my scent is birch water and botanicals, and it says right here, you guys can see it says fabric conditioner. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna give it a try. Why not? If it doesn't work out, then it just doesn't work out. I'm about to wrap this crochet style up anyway. We're gonna have an update this week as well, so you guys definitely be sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications so y'all don't miss that video, because that will be going up this week as well. My final thoughts on this crochet braid hair. And if you have not seen the first video on this hair, this is the, what is it? This hair is Deep Wave. I was like, what is the name of this hair? This is the Deep Wave hair. I will have my first video in the description box down below, so y'all can check that out, get all the specs on the hair, see the installation, all of that, okay? But I was like, let me just go ahead and try this out, and if it doesn't work, then it just doesn't work. So what I ended up doing was just using a spray bottle. I poured, so I pretty much did like a 50-50 mixture. I poured like half of this and like half water. I didn't make too much because I didn't want to have excess, but I made enough that I felt like would be good enough for me to really kind of saturate the hair and really get in there. So you guys are going to see me basically mix it up. I'm going to spray it on my hair. I detangled it. I cut out any unnecessary pieces. I twisted it up, and we're going to see how the results look. But hint, hint, these are the results. Okay, so you guys can see. We're gonna talk about it. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Y'all, I am amazed. I am amazed. Like, do y'all see, like, let me just, do y'all see this? Let me give a close-up. Like, what? Y'all see how like shiny and everything. Oh shoot, dropped my scissors. Y'all see how shiny and everything this hair looks. Like, this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. So it's been roughly 2 days since I last did that, like when I was actually showing you guys me spraying and twisting the hair. So I left the hair twisted in my bonnet for like 2 days because I wasn't going anywhere, and so now I'm filming the video for you guys, and you can see I just took the twist out. This is like immediately after. So this is like, if you are looking for a way to revive some old crochet braids, like, this is the answer. I am actually so upset that I'm just now trying this this method out, because if I had tried this out, like, I would just have loved to try it out on like some other types of crochet braid hair, like especially the longer ones, like especially like that Bobby Boss Go-Go Curl. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it in the cards for y'all, and it'll be in the description box. That hair is absolutely beautiful. It's very, very long though. It's like waist length. Very beautiful though. Love it. I feel like this would go amazingly with that hair. Like, this method with this downy and this water mixture will go amazingly on that hair, and I would love to have like taken the time to kind of detangle that, retwist it, and see like what that would have been giving after like 2 days. Like, because this like, I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked, and like to this day I still don't know if I used the right product or not, that like the original video used, which I don't even know, you know, how that was like years ago when I first saw this video on YouTube. So it's been quite a while, but I'm sure that they probably used the regular one in the blue bottle. But like I said, I already had this one at my house. So laundry detergent and water on your crochet braids? Okay, like, this is interesting. Like, maybe we should make this a series and just try out multiple different laundry detergents and just see which one does the best, because I'm actually shocked, and I think it looks so good. I keep looking over here in the viewfinder because I'm just like, wow, like this is really something. If you have not tried this out and you are currently wearing crochet braids, or you plan on wearing crochet braids, just go ahead and buy some of the downy. Make sure you have your spray bottle, know you got water. Just make sure that you have that so that you can definitely test this method out on your crochet. I do not know how this would work on something that's more coarse, you know, like the afro texture kind of curl patterns. I don't know how it will work on that, but if you have anything that's like silky or kind of like midway in between, I would say this one is kind of like a midway texture. It's not super duper silky, but it's definitely not giving like coarse either. So if you have anything that's silky or anything that's like kind of in the middle, I think this method would absolutely work for those crochet braids. And like you guys saw, I literally just took my time detangling the hair. I cut away anything that was, you know, just ratty. It just needed to be snip snip. I went ahead and cut that off, and then I twisted the hair in small sections, slept in it for like 2 days, and voila. So yeah, this is absolutely a winner. This is absolutely a winner. I am so happy I tried this. Sis, whoever commented below, I cannot remember your name, but thank you so much for leaving that comment, because here we are, okay? And it's like, wow, you know, this is something. This is something I really, and of course, like, my hair smells really, really good. I mean, it smells like laundry detergent, obviously, but I'm almost kind of wondering if I could mask the scent with my Cantu Shine and Hold Mist. If I could put that on top and kind of get rid of some of the smell. But of course, as the days go by and stuff, I'm sure the smell will fade. So that's a thought as well. Like, if you get the I don't know what the smell is of the original Downy, the regular like sky blue bottle. I don't know, maybe that one is unscented. I'm not sure. If you can get it and it is unscented, then definitely go for that. And then use like the Cantu Shine and Hold Mist on top, so you can get just a nice like tropical smell. But y'all saw I use my Downy Infusions botanicals because that's what I do my laundry with, and it's like, these are the results. And that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Ain't nothing else to say. Nothing else to say about it. Like, this is definitely a winner. And I feel like you would only need to, I don't know, I feel like you would only need to do this like once for the crochet braids, but do it as often as you need to do it. I feel like I have the crochet braids and it'll be 2 weeks. This week I'm gonna do a 2-week update for you guys and just give you guys my final thoughts on the hair and everything. But with this method, who knows how long you could wear these? Who knows how long you could wear these crochet braids with this method? Like, truly. So definitely let me know what y'all think down below. If y'all have tried this method before on crochet braids, let me know how it works out for you, and let me know which Downy you used or which laundry detergent. If it wasn't Downy, what the other one was that you used. Let us know down below, because I would just love to hear your thoughts and love to hear your experience. And if you haven't done this, let me know if you will be in the future. The answer should be yes, but just let me know what you would do. You guys, like, what? I'm still shocked. Girl, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up because, sis, like, give the video a thumbs up because this needs to float around the YouTube community. Everybody needs to see this video who wears crochet braids, because if you've never tried this method before, I'ma just need you to just head over to your washing machine and just take a little bit of that laundry detergent, mix it with a little bit of water, and just give your crochet a little spray, and just come back to the video and let me know how it turned out, because amazing. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.